Khathi enesithangami sabezindaba izolo ebusuku owae engumengameli uphinde wakuveza ukuthi akanayo inkinga ngokuboshwa kepha uxakwa ukuboshwa engaqulanga icala.
I'm not scared of going to jail for my beliefs. It will not be for the first time. I will be a prisoner of conscience. I have already spent more than 10 years in Robben Island under very difficult and cruel conditions. Even then, I was a prisoner of my conscience and beliefs. However, I have a duty and obligation to ensure that the dignity and respect for our judiciary is not compromised by sentences that remind our people of apartheid days. Sending anyone to prison without trial is a travesty of our justice, particularly if you cannot even identify the case number of your case. Even today, I call on all my supporters to use peaceful means to protest against this injustice.